Do you think coughing for weeks is just a stubborn flu? It could actually be tuberculosis, one of the world's deadliest infectious diseases. TB is caused by bacteria called Mycobacterium tuberculosis that attack the lungs, but it can also spread to the brain, spine, and kidneys. The bacteria spread through the air when someone with active TB coughs, sneezes, or even speaks. The symptoms? A cough lasting more than 2 weeks, chest pain, night sweats, fever, and unexplained weight loss. If untreated, TB can be fatal. But here's the good news. It's both preventable and curable. Doctors treat TB with a special course of antibiotics that must be taken for several months. Early diagnosis, proper treatment, and vaccination with the BCG vaccine can save lives and stop the spread. So if you or someone you know has a cough that won't go away, don't ignore it. Tuberculosis isn't just another infection. It's a silent killer that can be stopped with timely action.